Securely fasten wheels to the base. The device includes the spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Insert the key into the rear cover, rotate it to the left, and disassemble the cover. Stand the display upright. Remove the cap from the metal rods and attach them to the top of the main unit. Secure the handle holder to the rods and fasten the caps. Assemble and attach the laser pad holders to the sides of the main unit. If the 4 small sealing rubber rings on the connection pins are damaged, replace them with spares. Remove the filter cap. Check the 2 large rubber rings on the bottleneck and replace them if necessary. Install the filters. Replace the black rubber ring on the plug if damaged. Connect the RF and suction handle to the main unit. Replace the black rubber ring on the plug if damaged. Connect the RF and suction body handle to the main unit. Install the RF and ultrasound handle. Install the body RF handle. Install the EMS and EL handle. Install the large laser pads. Install the IRF handle. Connect the small laser pads to the main unit. Place each installed handles into the holder in order. Cotton filter replacement. Remove the plug from the suction hole, replace the cotton filter, and reinsert the plug. RF and suction handle. Follow the same steps as above. Once all parts are set, power on the device. Switch on the power button and press the main switch on the front of the main unit. Select ultrasound on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Ultrasound energy, 3. Ultrasound mode, M1. RF energy, 3. RF mode, NOR. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Select RF and suction body on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. RF mode, NOR. Suction duration, 5. Release duration, 2. Press the start button to initiate the process. Suction intensity, adjust according to individual endurance. Choose body RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, NOR. Press the start button to initiate the process. Choose lipo laser on the screen. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Choose I and RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, NOR. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Choose EMS and EL on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EL energy level, 3. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Choose RF and suction on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. RF mode, NOR. Suction duration, 5. Release duration, 2. Press the Start button to initiate the process. Suction intensity, adjust according to individual endurance. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.